All right, y'all. No bullshit intro, no bullshit, no nothing. Y'all already know it's the go here. I'm gonna put y'all on the TikTok font method. I'm gonna leave this link in the bio, and I'm gonna leave this link in the bio to the Unicode lookalikes. So if you want to make it look real or whatnot, I mean, shit, you could do that. Basically, really, all you want to do is get a VPN, free VPN, hide me, go on United Arab Emirates, UAE, or you can go on Turkey. It don't even matter. But if you make too many accounts on one, switch. That's literally it. So all you want to do, I'm gonna put a link to the cookies app. Well, the extension. Edit this cookie. All you want to do is click edit this cookie, hover over it, but you want to make sure you're on Chrome when you make the account. But right as you make the account, because I'm doing this live while I'm saying this. Right as you make the account, bro, all you want to do is click skip. You could do Proton Mail, you could do anything. Just make your TikTok account. You need a brand new TikTok account. When you make your brand new TikTok account, do not put a username. Just make it with email and then skip username, and you'll come to this page right here. You won't see a profile picture. Edit this cookie. This is literally the first step right after you make your account. Click edit this cookie, go into it. This one right here, session ID. You'd want to copy your session ID. You'd want to find the directory that you downloaded the Python into. There's a little code that you have to run. I'll put it in the comment section to get the Python to work. Basically, all I want to do is CD downloads because I have it in my downloads. And then it'll put me in my downloads directory. And then I could see, fuck, what is it called, man? It's called the font underscore, hold up. I just got to see my directory real quick. Font underscore maker.py. So basically, all I want to do, this is how you run a Python. Well, Python script. Python font underscore maker.py. It'll go. And then from here, all you want to do, bro, copy your edit this cookie, this session ID. This session ID, I don't want to expose mine, but because I don't want my username to get took. But session ID, bro, all you would do is paste it here, and then you'd go on Unicode lookalikes. Say you want like Cash. Say you want the name Cash. Literally all you would do, but don't put the name here. It'll pop up a username after you get your ID. All you'd want to do, see, like you see how I copy pasted that? ASH. Copy pasted. And then once you run that, I mean, I know it won't go right now because I'm not fully doing it, but if you were to do that, Cash would pop up on your profile, but you got to make sure it's one that nobody has already. And you see there's an A. So if somebody has it already, like, and you really, really want Cash that bad, I would copy C, A. Oh, no, I wouldn't do that. I would copy the A. Like, you see what I mean, right? So you got to be slow if you can't follow now. And then boom. So I'm going to basically put everything in the comments and comments or description. I don't know. Just check either. This is very, very easy method. Super easy.